My best. So we are Micronor Sensors. We are a distributor for Micronor Switzerland that produces these fiber optic temperature sensors. If you're not too familiar with fiber optic sensors, there's two main points of why they're so great. The first one is that they are highly resistant to extreme external environments such as magnetic field, radiation, extreme temperature. And the other thing is that they're very thin and very small. And so if you want to take a look here, we have two demos. First demo is our fiber optic temperature probe demo. Essentially, there are these, you can see in the blinking lights here, these galvanized crystal nodes that capture the light that determines, that measures the temperature. So if I put my fingers on here, the temperature will rise. And that's how it will measure the temperature. And it has a measurement range of 300 degrees Celsius, negative 200. If you need more for some reason, this guy over here, our Bragg temperature probes, go up to 800 degrees Celsius. And they can also measure strain. So when I flick the nodes, you'll see on the tablet it going up and down also. So it does temperature and strain.
Mm-hmm.
And that's my pitch.
Okay.
That's what captures. So like you can have these nodes across the cabling, and that's the points of where whatever your application was to measure the temperature. So you can you can have them in any kind of, you could customize it to wherever you need it to be, but that's the point of where the temperature is. So
right.
A lot of some more case studies, for example, it could be used in like an MRI machine, rockets in NASA, Boeing, microwave ovens, nuclear reactors, places that require temperature reading, because electrical sensors, they can't withstand that temperature. They'll break, they'll melt, whatever, and the cabling can also go very long distances between wherever point A and point B may be. And, essentially, even in a mostly wireless world, we still need cables to get that direct contact, to get those measurements.